Tired of losing sales because your checkout process is clunky and untrustworthy? Then it's time to revolutionize your e-commerce experience by integrating Stripe, the payment gateway trusted by millions of businesses worldwide. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential steps to connect Stripe to your shopping cart, making payments seamless and secure for your customers. First, ensure your shopping cart platform supports Stripe integration. Most popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento offer built-in Stripe plugins or extensions. Next, you'll need a Stripe account. Head over to StripeCon and sign up. You'll need to provide some business information, but the process is straightforward. Now, install the Stripe plugin or extension for your chosen platform. Follow the specific installation instructions provided by your platform and Stripe. Typically, this involves uploading the plugin and activating it. To connect your shopping cart to your Stripe account, you'll need to retrieve your API keys from the Stripe dashboard. These keys are like a password that allows your shopping cart to securely communicate with Stripe. Be sure to keep your secret key private. Enter your API keys into the designated Stripe settings within your shopping cart platform's admin panel. Save the settings and enable Stripe as a payment option. Finally, test the integration thoroughly. Place a test order using a test credit card number provided by Stripe to ensure the payment process is functioning correctly. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Stripe into your shopping cart. Your customers can now enjoy a secure and seamless payment experience, boosting your sales and building trust in your brand. Don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks.